Story.
Hi, I'm Tiku, and I love kitchen inventions. Let's meet some amazing ones and their brilliant inventors. Woof woof! Air fryers were launched by Philips in 2010, thanks to Fred Vanderway. Woof! Did you know the blender was invented by Stephen Poplawski in 1922? Smoothies have been buzzing ever since. La la, la la la. Melita Bentz made the first drip coffee filter in 1908. Smart and steamy. Ah ha ha ha. Ah ha ha ha. Josephine Cochran invented the dishwasher in 1886 because her servants broke too many dishes. Woof woof! This electric chimney keeps the air fresh. Elica made them famous in the 1970s. Woof woof! Woof woof! Woof! This electric oven was patented by William Hadaway in 1896. It made baking at home a piece of cake. Zap! This induction cooktop was brought to kitchens by Westinghouse in the 1970s. So fast, so cool. Woof! Woof, woof! Woof, woof! Here's the microwave. Percy Spencer invented it in 1945, all because a chocolate bar melted near a radar. Woof, woof! This is a refrigerator. It was invented by Carl von Linde in 1876. That's how we keep things cool today. Woof! Frank Shailor's toaster was invented in 1909, but Charles Strite made it pop in 1921. Ah ha ha ha! Wow! So many clever inventions, and now we know their inventors and years too. What will you invent one day? Woof woof!